So everyone loves fried chicken. We are gonna make an amazing version today. It's buttermilk brined, it's super crispy, very juicy, and we're gonna whip up some really easy sauces to go along with it. I knew I was gonna be frying chicken today, so last night I put some chicken wings, chicken thighs, and drumsticks in a brine. This brine is just about 2 tablespoons of salt and a whole quart of buttermilk. That salt will permeate the meat and season all the way through to the bone, which is huge because then you have perfectly seasoned meat in every bite and it's delicious. Secondly, the buttermilk tenderizes the chicken, which will make it extra juicy. I'm gonna drain the chicken and just pat it dry and then we can get to breading it. I've got some veggie oil here, a nice big pot, and your best friend, the candy thermometer. Oil temperature is really important to ensuring that you have juicy cooked chicken on the inside and golden crispy crust on the outside. If the oil is too hot, then that crust will form before your chicken is cooked on the inside. And if it's too cold, then your chicken will cook before your crust has a time to crisp up. For this recipe, we're heating our oil to 350. So I'm gonna fill our Dutch oven about halfway up with oil. We want it to be high enough that we can submerge our chicken completely. Ooh, we're gonna need more. This oil can actually be reused for frying again, as long as you just strain it before you put it back in the bottle. You can get 1, maybe 2 good fries out of it before you have to toss it, which is great. We are doing a 2-step dredge. We've got flour. If you have a thing for spice, cayenne would be a great substitute for the paprika. Garlic powder, doing a whole lot of salt, and then I'll crank some pepper. I like a lot of pepper on my chicken. And I'm just gonna mix this up with a fork. And for the wet, I'm just adding a couple tablespoons of water in with our eggs, just to break up the proteins a little bit, make it easier to dredge. Just a quick sprinkle of salt. Optional, but if you're like me and you like a lot of pepper, I'm gonna take a drumstick, just give it a quick coat, and to the flour. Get it totally coated. There we go. Our oil is at 350, and we're ready to fry. So I'm gonna start dropping them in. Just gonna do 3 at a time. Ooh, hear that sound? When you put your chicken in, the temperature of the oil will drop a little bit because you're adding something cold to something very hot. I like to keep a good eye on the temperature, maybe crank it up a little bit as soon as I drop the chicken in to make sure that we maintain that 350 degrees. These guys will take about 6 minutes to cook. I just did drumsticks this round and I'll probably just do thighs the next round because they have slightly different cooking times. So it's just a little easier to keep it consistent. It's been 6 minutes and these guys are looking nice and golden. So I'm gonna take them out and just put them on our baking sheet. Oh, it smells so good. As soon as they come out of the oil, I'm hitting them with some salt. And that is because it will stick. So the thighs have been in for about 8 minutes. I'm gonna take them out. They look good. Ooh, sizzly. Our first sauce is a buttermilk sauce. It's very similar to a homemade ranch. We're just gonna combine all these, 1/3 of a cup each. We've got our buttermilk. We've got sour cream, mayonnaise. You could also use Greek yogurt if you're not a mayo fan, but use full fat, better texture and flavor. Garlic, chives, a little splash of Worcestershire sauce. I would do about a teaspoon. Salt and pepper. Good job for baby whisk. Aww. And if you didn't have chives or if you wanted to do something different, you could use dill, basil, parsley. They would all be delicious, or a combination. So I've also made a couple other delicious dipping sauces. We have a spicy honey, which is just about a 1/4 cup of honey and like a teaspoon or 2 of hot sauce, depending on how much spice you want. I also made a honey mustard, which is equal parts Dijon and honey. I'm dipped and ready. I'm going in. It's great. Super crispy on the outside, really juicy on the inside. You can taste the spices. It's nice and salty. It's so good. I hope you give it a shot because it is killer.